Hi, my name is Jennifer Denna. I'm one of the specialists in the Disability Services Office at Arapahoe Community College, and I'm here today to give you a short demonstration of the Livescribe Smartpen. This is what the pen looks like. To turn it on, you just hit this on-off button at the very top of the pen. You'll see the startup menu come to life. What's really nice about this pen is that you can easily make it left-handed or right-handed. If you flip to the front cover of your notebook, there is a little built-in control panel. And there are some icons on here. So you can hit either left-handed or right-handed so that you can see this display screen while you're writing. There's also a built-in calculator. So you can just type in whatever equation you're trying to calculate and hit the equal sign, and the number will show up right here on your screen. So that's kind of a handy little feature that is a part of these pens. So in our notebook, at the bottom of every page, there's also a handy little control panel. This is a little navigation bar where you can get to the main menu. We also have stop, record, and pause. We have a place where you can play back your recording and get to whatever point you need to, and then a place where you can either speed up or slow down the recording. There's also a volume button as well. So what's really neat about this pen is that it records whatever's being said in class, and then it syncs it with whatever you're writing. So to start recording, you'll double click on this navigation pane,
main menu,
and then hit record. And the pen is actually recording everything that's being said, and it's syncing it with these little tiny dots on the paper. So if your instructor says that there's something that's really important, you really need to know this, this information is going to be on the test, or there's assignment due on March 28th. And then they're giving you the details for the assignment. You will stop the recording whenever you're done recording down at the bottom. And then you can go to whatever point on the paper you want to go to that portion of the recording and just double click on the page.
Actually recording everything that's being said, and it's syncing it with these little tiny dots on the page. You really need to know this. This information is going to be on the test, or there's assignment due on March 28th.
So what makes this different than a traditional recorder is that you can quickly get to segments of the recording without having to listen back to the whole thing. Even if you don't write anything on your paper, you can always go to this jump to position point and go to different parts in your recording without having to listen to the whole recording. There are also lots of additional features built into this pen. If you go back to that navigation pane, you can double click and get to the main menu, and you can scroll through all of the different options. There's a translator, a little piano, all sorts of little features that are helpful for students. So this can be a really great tool to use in your classes and a really good tool to use for note-taking. If you're interested in checking out one of these pens, contact your disability services specialist, and we would be happy to check one of these out to you and to give you a longer demonstration and to get you all set up. So there's the Livescribe Smartpen, and thank you for watching.